have to say this, and I'm gonna say it a million times, that if I was a hotel, this would be me, because the colors are everything. I love all the characters. The entrance to the park is right underneath the hotel. There's a photo opportunity right behind me. Let's get started. Thanks for being here with me. Thank you to Universal. Let's check out Universal Kids Resort. We are about to go up to the room for the first time. Oh, look at this wall. Fourth floor, here we go. I don't know why I always sing. Here we go, room, here we come. Let me turn you all around. You can see the hallway.
I guess circle, blue or green?
I don't know. I don't know if we'll be able to tell if our circle's blue or green from the outside.
What number?
Our room is room 406. It's a standard queen room. To my understanding, it has the bunk beds in it, a mini fridge, and yeah, let's go see the details. Oh my gosh, if this isn't so cute. Okay, let's start. Oh my gosh, I love the hooks on the wall. Let's start here in the bathroom. Looks like they got a hair dryer, some towels, really cool mirror in here. I love all the details on everything. It looks like they've given some Dove products. And then there is a tub in here, which is great for kids. I love that. Cute little mirror. Hey! Oh, there's another mirror behind me. And there is a little sitting area over here with a little table. Put my room key here. Oh, I love this. Still resting so we could play later. Cute little pillows, circle mirror, big TV. Oh, I loved the scalloped edge ice bucket. There's also a stool here, some cabinets, and the refrigerator is in this one, little mini fridge. And oh, they left a little coloring pad and some crayons for the kids. And then in here is a giant closet. We put our things in there to show you the room, but there is some extra blankets and some hangers and a luggage cart. You can see the pool from our room and a little bit of the SpongeBob area in the back over here. I believe they said this is a park view room. That's the pool down there. I can see my kiddos swimming in there. And then here is a different view of the room. Now, this is a queen bed. I love all the colors. Look at all the colors up here. Whoops. Look at all the colors up there. This is super pretty. How could you not be in a good mood when you're here? And we have the bunk beds, like I said. There's that view of the mirror, TV, and the big closet. This is a great room for families. Oh my goodness, look at that light up there. That is really cool. And then these seem like full bunk, or this might be a twin bunk on the top. And then this looks like a full bunk on the bottom. Oh my gosh, these nightstands. Everything is brand spanking new. I can't. The bunk beds are a really great feature. Let's take a look in this mirror. Hey! I love it. So that's the room. Super cute. It says my name. Welcome, Deanna Romano and family. And there's a map. Oh, I can't wait. I'm so excited. Our room is over there near SpongeBob. I just want to stay forever and ever. Oh my gosh. The colors. This is everything. Like literally everything. I didn't see this when we came in, but this has Poppy on it, and I wonder if another floor has a different character. I'm gonna go down one floor and check. Let's see. Oh, this is a big elevator. This one's much bigger. Okay, let's see. 3. Let's see, do we have a different character? Yep. We got Gabby. Let's go down to 2. Puss in Boots. Oh, now we gotta go up. Well, I was on 4. Let's go to 5. Woo. And by the way, there's 5 floors to this hotel. 5. I bet this is Shrek. This is Shrek or Minions. Let's see.
Floor 5.
Shrek. Follow along for the rest.